Okay, there's one last feature to add on to this part, which may not be showing up directly and be apparent in this drawing, but it is actually a small little teeny tiny chamfer that's going to go around the topmost edge of this box, and it's going to be 20,000 inches, but at a 45-degree angle. But here we go. So come back here, modify. Chamfer is actually under the modify tab here. I'm going to click on chamfer. Select edges, right there, 0.020, okay. Click OK, equal distance. You could change here to 2 distances, but equal distance, that means it's at a 45. And you do have the distance and angle. You can do the same thing, 20 thousandths with a 45-degree angle, but back here, equal distance. Click OK, and now I have a beautiful chamfer right there going around the part. All the way around. This will make it really nice when we go to manufacture this part. That there. Okay, so that is a very simple step. Now the next video's up. We're going to be how to actually then go in and create some tool paths to make this. All right.